If you use Adobe Acrobat Reader every day, a few simple features can save you a surprising amount of time. In this tutorial, I'll share practical tips to help you work with PDF files faster, stay organized, and improve your overall productivity. Let's dive in. Start by taking advantage of the Recent Files section on the home screen. Instead of searching through folders every time, you can quickly reopen the documents you've worked on most recently. When you're working with long documents, use the search feature instead of scrolling manually. Press the keyboard shortcut for Find, enter a keyword, and jump directly to the information you need. Use the highlight and comment tools to mark important sections or leave notes for yourself and your team. This makes reviewing documents much faster later on. For longer PDF files, use the Bookmarks panel and page thumbnails to move between sections instantly, so this saves time compared to scrolling page by page. Keyboard shortcuts can speed up everyday tasks. For example, use shortcuts to search text, print documents, save files, or zoom in and out without reaching for the mouse. Finally, keep Adobe Acrobat Reader updated. New updates often improve performance, fix bugs, and introduce features that make working with PDF files even more efficient. And that's how you can improve productivity with Adobe Acrobat Reader. By using built-in tools like search, comments, bookmarks, shortcuts, and regular updates, you'll spend less time managing PDF files and more time getting work done. If you found this guide useful, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.